क्या आप इंग्लिश समझ तो लेते हैं, लेकिन जब बोलने की बारी आती है तो आप फ्रीज हो जाते हैं? वर्ड्स तो याद होते हैं, लेकिन रियल कॉन्वर्सेशन में अचानक सब कुछ भूल जाता है। डोंट वरी, आज की वीडियो में हम एक नेचुरल इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशन प्रैक्टिस करेंगे,
जहां एमा और नैन्सी रोजमर्रा बातचीत से लेकर इंटरव्यू तक मुख्तलिफ सिचुएशंस में इंग्लिश बोलेंगी। आप सिर्फ सुने नहीं, बल्कि तवज्जो से सुने, बुलंद आवाज में दोहराएं और साथ बोलें। रोजाना सिर्फ चंद मिनट की स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस आपकी इंग्लिश फ्लुएंसी और कॉन्फिडेंस को बहुत बेहतर बना सकती है। तो तैयार हैं? लेट्स बिगिन।
Hi, Nancy. How have you been?
Hi, Emma. I've been great. How about you?
Honestly, I'm a little nervous. I have a job interview coming up.
Really? Don't worry. You're more prepared than you think.
I hope so. I really want to make a good impression, but I get nervous when I speak English in formal situations.
Nancy, that's completely normal. Let's practice together. I'll ask you some interview questions and you answer naturally.
That sounds perfect. Let's do it.
Okay, let's start with a common question. Tell me a little about yourself.
Sure. My name is Emma. I have 2 years of experience working in retail. I enjoy helping customers, solving problems, and working with the team.
Great. That was clear and confident. Now, what are your greatest strengths?
I'd say my communication skills and patience are my greatest strengths. I'm a good listener, and I stay calm when dealing with difficult situations.
Excellent answer. One more question. Why do you want to work for our company?
I really admire your company's focus on customer service. I'd love to use my skills, contribute to the team, and continue growing professionally.
Emma, you did an amazing job. Your answers were clear, professional, and confident.
Thank you. Practicing out loud really helped me feel more comfortable.